Firstly, place the bottom frame on a flat surface. Use a hanging head to connect the bottom. It is to fix the frame with bolts and reinforce it with a hand drill. Using the method just now, fully fix the 4 corners at the bottom. It is using a tape measure to measure the size of the bottom frame to prevent errors. Use a laser level to determine the uniform height of the bottom frame to prevent unevenness after installation. Install the bottom purlin on the frame. It should be noted that there are 2 types of bottom purlins, wide and narrow, which need to be arranged at intervals. Secure with bolts. It should be noted that we need 2 types of bolts, long and short, to correspond to purlins of different widths. Finally, install support components at the 4 corners, convenient for future support of flooring. Firstly, fix the top suspension head to one end of the column. Temporarily secure with bolts. Be careful not to use a hand drill for reinforcement yet. Next, install the other end of the column on the bottom suspension head. Use bolts to connect the column to the bottom. Hand drills are also not used for reinforcement here. It should be noted that our bolts use a more user-friendly design. During installation, only by embedding the square bolt cap into the square hole can effective anchoring be achieved. Next, use the same method to install other pillars. After the installation of the pillars is completed, start installing the top frame. Note, 2 workers need to collaborate to complete this task. Similarly, we need to secure it with bolts. Use the same method to build the top frame. Use a spirit level to correct the horizontal direction of the column. After confirming the level, use a hand drill to reinforce the bolts. Touch the nut with your hand to feel if the position of the nut is correct. All bolts are reinforced, and the frame installation is complete. Prepare the wall panels. Lay the wall panel flat on the frame. Assemble the wall panels one by one to form the wall. When installing wall panels, install one less wall panel on walls with doors and windows to prepare for the installation of doors and windows. It is to fix the wall panel with screws. Firstly, take out the pressure plate groove. Place the edge facing outward and clamp it at the interface of the board. Using the same method, install the walls and pressure plate slots. Fix with screws at the connection between the pressure plate groove and the crossbeam. Measure the required width of the board using a tape measure. Cut the floor according to its width. You can use a wallpaper knife to cut the floor. Lower one end of the floor to prevent scratching the wall. It is to use a tape measure to determine the position of the bottom purlin, and fix it with screws every 60 centimeters. The corner position also needs to be fixed with screws. Firstly, install the connecting bracket. Determine the space and position of the connecting frame based on the length of the short purlin. Use screws to secure. Install ceiling panels. Secure with screws. Insert the ceiling panels in order and fix them to the crossbeam with screws. It is to fix the baseboard to the wall panel with screws and install a set of screws every 60 centimeters. Install the cover plate on the skirting line for decorative purposes. The same installation method is used for ground baseboards. Skirting lines can not only be aesthetically pleasing, but also be used to conceal wires to prevent them from being exposed. Draw the required size on the wall panel according to the different needs of the doors and windows. The size is shown in the video. It is cut along the line using an electric saw. Install the cut board. When installing the top panel, Safety precautions should be taken. You can first clamp the board and then push it upwards. The window is divided into two parts. First, remove the frame and install it on the wall. Next, install the main body of the window. Use screws to secure the window. Before installing the door, it is necessary to insert the bottom plate into the bottom groove of the door. After fixing the door, install the top wall panel. Use a spirit level to determine the level of the door frame and fix the door to the wall with screws. Finally, reinforce and waterproof with structural adhesive. Firstly, lay glass wool rolls. Then cover with the top plate, secure with screws and top cap. Finally, fully cover the roof to complete the installation. After all installations are completed, apply engineering adhesive to the overall joints of the house. Electrical distribution installation develops specific plans based on on-site conditions.